So what we have here is a $5 microphone I bought from the company called Neewer, is what I think it is called. And for $5, I'm not expecting much, but without further ado, let's open it. Alright, so as you can see, the unboxing seems quite simple with the microphone right here. And let's see what else is in here. How many microphones are in here? I wasn't expecting this. So 3 microphones in total for only $5. That's crazy. That's actually literally crazy. I wasn't expecting 3 of them. But anyways, hey, that's a pretty nice surprise. So without further ado, we'll also start testing them. So this is what the lavalier microphone sounds like plugged into the Canon SL2. Now let's test out the Canon SL2's microphone. So this is what the SL2's microphone sounds like. Now let's go outside to test out the lavalier microphone and also the camera's built-in mic. So this is what the camera's microphone sounds like outside. Now let's test the lavalier microphone. So this is what the lavalier microphone sounds like outside. As you can see, it's not as bad as you would expect it to be, especially when it's this windy out. So as you can see, this microphone is a great option for people on a budget because for only 3 of them, you're only paying $5. Since I don't need to have 3 microphones, I will be giving one away. So check out the link down below to enter. Anyways, thank you for watching and make sure to check out this video right here as I think you'll enjoy it. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.